Hello chess lovers, in the last video I taught you the movement of the pieces, and in this one we will see how to win the game. For this we have some terms to learn, starting with check. When any piece pawn attacks the king, it is known as check. Let's see on the board, for example this, and here bishop attacks the king. Now this is known as check, that a piece is attacking a king directly. It is compulsory for black to save himself from the check here. There are three ways to protect the king from check. First of all, moving, that we can move the king and save himself from the check. Another one is blocking, that we put something in between the pieces and the king is safe. And the third is killing, that the piece who is giving a check, we killed him. So these are the three ways to protect the king from check. Next we have checkmate. Now we are seeing that how to win the game. Let's see, like white played one move, black played one move, second move, and we are also learning mate in 4, scholars mate, by learning checkmate also here. So queen goes here now and takes a pawn. Queen is giving a check to a king. Now black needs to save himself. Black cannot able to go here because the queen is attacking. Black cannot able to go here as well, as the queen is attacking. Cannot able to go here, queen is attacking. So you can see that moving is not an option in this case, as the king is attacked by all of the squares. Second is blocking. Queen and king, there is no space between them, so king cannot able to block himself as well. Third is killing. So most of you are thinking that king will kill the queen, so that is also not possible here because the bishop is supporting the queen and queen is well protected by the bishop. Game ends here. Black lost, white wins. Checkmate. When there is a check on the king and king cannot able to move anywhere because of the attack by the opponent pieces, and none of his own pieces are able to protect him, it is called checkmate. So you can see this. Next we have illegal move. It is very necessary to learn illegal move with them only, because in many cases illegal move happens on the board and none of you will take care of that. For example, what do we mean by illegal move? Any kind of wrong move is called illegal move. For example, we are moving pawn 2 steps. We can move 2 step or 1 step, but somebody is playing a pawn 3 step. So what you will say, that this is a illegal move. Now let's see it in the case of check, as it happens mostly. Now you can see that bishop is attacking a king. Now the ways to protect the king is moving here like this also. But what if somebody played the knight here? Just an example that somebody played the knight. So in software you see that he is not taking it, but in the board it can happen that somebody played the knight. You cannot able to stop him, but what you will do in this kind of position, you will kill the king. That is not possible. A king will never die, king cannot be killed. So now, yeah, you have to call the arbiter. Who is arbiter? The umpire. Like in cricket the umpire was there, in football referee is there, in chess there is a person who just tell the rule and who controls everything, it known as arbiter. So you call the arbiter, you tell him that it's his move and he is moving the knight instead of protecting the king. So he will give one warning to the white team that you have to protect the king. For example, white played this, black moved something else. Now white is moving knight to here on g3, let's suppose. Now this is second illegal move, that he is moving the knight. Knight cannot be moved straight 2 steps, it moves L shape, left or right. So he moved it like this. So this is a second illegal move, as it is written on second illegal move, game over. Here when white moved this and you call the arbiter, arbiter will give the point to black, black wins, white lost, game over. I hope that you just learn the way how to do the checkmate and also learn how to do the checkmate in 4 moves. If you feel that my videos are fruitful and you are learning from it, then hit the like button and do mention your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. And also subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos.